matter.
Yes.
Matter may kindly be taken up tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Saturday is a working day tomorrow.
Not working day.
You'll come.
Only 14 matters are there, your lord.
But are you coming?
My lord.
Okay, if you are coming, we have to come then. What is the urgency?
Urgency is this, my lord. My vehicles have been seized by state DSP of city. Despite, my lord, all the documents are.
So where is the urgency?
My lord, because my
Seizure was when? When was the
be,
seizure?
My lord, e-way will be expired, my lord, on Sunday.
Huh?
It will be expired on Sunday.
Okay, you inform the other side tomorrow.
Lord,
We'll
already
motion matter.
Motion.
Okay.
Deep love.
Yes, Mr. Abidin.
My lord, I'm also coming tomorrow.
You come. Who is preventing you to come?
An urgent matter, my lord, related.
Motion.
My lord, an urgent matter related to the panchayat. Motion.
If tomorrow was a non-working day, then what would you have done?
Then, my lord, I would have prayed for Monday. But only
Assume that tomorrow is a non-working day.
My lord, is declared to be working day. My lord, bench is there also.
What is the urgency?
My lord, over here, the panchayat body is formed through an unauthorized person, and my lord, they opened the box and counting behind our back.
That is the illegality. What is the urgency?
Urgency is they're going to form. They have not taken charge. They're going to form the. They form the body. If they take the charge, then the third party
Okay,
right.
okay. Inform the other side. PNRD.
Yes, sir.
Inform the standing council.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, regards to item number 19 of the daily list, my lord.
19 years.
Our instructions are awaited, my
Yeah, for whom?
for the financial section.
Next Thursday, process permit.
Is it covered? 19? 19, is it covered?
Government.
Okay.
Next week,
A prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of the department. Para? List. Para? Sri R.S. Misra, learned counsel for the petitioner, has however submitted that the issue involved is already decided by this court. Para? In view of the above, list this case on Thursday. Date, huh?
May I please, my lord? I look same prayer for item for 21.
21, same prayer, you on adjournment
My
for
lord,
filing.
financial section.
I am paying for the petition.
Okay.
There is an interim that will be extended.
Okay. On a prayer made on behalf of the department, matter is adjourned by 3 weeks to enable filing of affidavit in opposition. Para? Interim order passed earlier stands extended till the next date of listing.
Thank you,
Yes.
my
So, item number 20.
20.
The grievance of the already replaced.
Okay. Sri A. Jed Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that during the pendency of the writ petition, the grievance of the petitioner has been redressed. Para? Also heard Sri N. Das, learned state counsel. Para? In view of the aforesaid submission, writ petition is closed. Yes.
But I pray for listing of a matter tomorrow for motion.
Motion.
Yes.
What is your urgency?
The urgent such panchayat elections were held under the panchayat, and I have been declared as the returned candidate.
Okay.
But the opposite side, they have filed one election petition for the election tribunal, and the election tribunal has passed a stay order, and both administration of both has also been stopped.
So what is the urgency?
Lordship, the final relief has been granted at interim stage.
Why? What final
But
relief?
election-
He'll not stay.
In the election petition,
It
Lordship,
is not a final relief. He has not said that it is illegal.
Lordship,
In the interregnum, he has said that
office will-
there is no urgency. There is no urgency.
Lordship,
You should not come to court on Saturdays. Take rest.
no, Lord,
Monday you come.
Lordship, Monday.
Monday. Yes.
Keep your Lordship, I'm praying
What stage?
the matter relating forest
What is the stage? Motion matter.
admission
A matter of which year?
is 25
Last listed when?
on 22 February,
22/5. What is the urgency? What has happened on the last occasion?
allowing the petitioner
Not a matter to be mentioned. Sorry. Mention is only for urgent matters which requires an out of turn listing. Sorry. Yes.
My lord, in item 7,
Yes.
on behalf of the caveat,
Yes.
affidavit is filed in the morning. Can I brought?
Yes. Bring
Right.
it. Bring it. And if you served on the other side, Mr. Talukdar. served? Bring it. Mr. Gupta, Mishra, yes.
Second
We'll issue notice at this stage.
Yes. by interim order also.
Hmm? Interim order, what kind of interim order?
For staying of the demand, my lord, they have passed an order, my lord,
Okay.
placing the demand, my. Now, in view of the setting of the notification,
3 R.S. Mishra, Learned Counsel for the petitioner who has put to challenge an order dated 3/5/2025.
yes, my lord. There are two orders, my lord. One is 2/4/2023.
Yes, 3/5/2025 passed by the appellate authority, by which the impugned order dated 24/4/2024 has been upheld.
My lord.
Full stop. The Learned Counsel has submitted that such action has been held to be illegal by this court in a series of petition, full stop para. On the other hand, Sri S.C. Kyle, the Learned Senior Standing Counsel, CGST, has informed that the issue is presently in the Supreme Court. Para, let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. 3 Kyle, the Learned Standing Counsel, accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents.
Sure.
Let extra copies be served upon him. Para, till the returnable date, no coercive action be taken against the petitioner.
Item number
Not उसका पहले लेकर Sri Mishra pays for an interim order. Para, upon consideration of this same and by balancing the equities, it is directed that till the returnable date, no coercive action.
who is same.
Two.
And date
Orders are different.
the date
Give the appellate order
34/25, my lord.
30
4/2025.
and affirming which affirmed
My lord, 26/8/24, my.
26/8/24. Huh? Appellate order or
Obliged.
yes. Okay. Serve extra copies, Mr. Mishra.
I didn't read.
Mr. Sigdar. Yes.
But here in this case, the petitioner has challenged the acceptance of nomination and election of the private respondent. My lord, his nomination based on a false affidavit, my lord. Annexer, Lordship will find Annexer 2.
Who are you? You are also a candidate.
I was also one of the candidates.
Okay. He has been elected.
My lord, the private respondent has been elected, and his affidavit is false so far relates to
What about an election petition?
elected.
You file an election petition.
My lord, it's the
You
prima
get-
facie,
Huh?
prima facie, my lord.
Professor, this is a factual dispute. You are raising an allegation on facts. Prove it in the tribunal. You have got an effective remedy.
My lord, some other similar.
Ultimately, it's the election. You challenge it in an election petition. We give you liberty. Withdraw this. Heard
Mile.
three. A.R. Sikdar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by the action of the respondents in holding the respondent number 7 as eligible to contest in the panchayat election from the 36 number Marigaon under Rongamati Jila Porikhod Dorong. Full stop. It is submitted that a false affidavit was furnished in support of her candidature. Para Sri Endas, Learned State Council, as well as Sri S. Datta, Learned Standing Council PNRD, have, however, raised a preliminary objection that an effective and efficacious remedy in the form of an appeal under section 111, under section so and so of the Panchayat Act is available. Full stop. They have also, you are also for Election Commission, Ms. Kash. Where is he? No, is he there in the court? No, he's not there. Then we write it. Ms. Kaishap, the Learned Counsel, appearing on instruction of, is present for the Election Commission on behalf of the Standing Council, Sri R. Dubey. Para? Upon consideration of the dispute raised wherein an effective remedy is provided by preferring of an appeal, this court is also of the view that the dispute involves factual determination wherein a writ court may not be the appropriate forum. Para, at this stage, Sri Sikdar, the learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he may be allowed to withdraw this petition with a liberty to approach the appellate forum. What about the limitation, Mr. Sikdar?
My lord,
What is the time? 45 days or how many?
result was declared on
Mr. Doctor,
19/5.
what is the limitation? In view of the aforesaid prayer, the writ petition is dismissed, closed on withdrawal with liberty as prayed for. Para. It is also observed that in case the petition is held, election petition, if filed, is held to be beyond the period of limitation prescribed, the petitioner may file an application for condonation which should be considered in a liberal manner. Disposed of. Huh? Yeah. Panchayat Act, please give the section. Appeal. Appeal.
4,
Because yes.
May I please?
Item number
4, Lord.
4. Yes.
Lord, in this matter, what happened, Lordship, first meeting of the Panchayat was held on 30/6/2025, wherein all the 10 elected members attended to both Lord. Then proceeded for election of the president. As per agenda, Lordship, the election was held an equal number of votes were
Your
cast.
application under section 11 is for what?
For that is statutory, Lordship, provision is there to any dispute to be decided by the
Now, what is the dispute?
dispute is, Lordship, whatever, Lordship, both the candidates get 5 votes equal, then proceeded for toss. Lord. This is state remedy.
You get instructions where issue notice.
Lordship, in the meantime, Lordship, they held another meeting, Lord, which was without quorum and elected the president. That is not part. Either if they have
Sri M.K. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioners who are aggrieved by the inaction of the respondent authorities to act on the application dated 8/7, 8/7/2025, filed under section 11 of the Assam Panchayat Act 1994, pertaining to the election of the members of
president and vice president of
election of the president of
Turai Gao.
number 17.
Lord,
17 number Turai Gao Panchayat in the district of Darang. It is also contended that in the meantime, let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. Sri S. Datta, PNRD, 1 and
1 and my lord. 4,
1 4
8,
1 4 8
9.
9. Okay, 1 4 8 9. Then State Election Commission AB cast 2 on behalf of RDB 2. Then NDAS 3 3 3 5 6 7 extra copies. Steps for service of notice upon response was 10 to 11 to 14. Registered post AD. Steps within 2 working days. We cannot restrain them from holding the post.
Yes.
All action taken prior to the all actions taken prior to all actions taken pursuant to the election of the respondent numbers 10 and 11 from the post to the post of president and vice president shall be subject to the outcome of this writ petition.
item 5,
Yes.
It's the topic.
Hmm.
Order dated 45.
We have not heard anything. What? Be audible, slightly loud. Yes, what is it?
My lord, it's the respondent of the misappropriate fund.
Who are you?
My lord, is the members of
You are
Okay.
members of the Gaon Panchayat.
Right.
Now, who has misappropriated?
respondent, my lord, respondent earlier.
Which
the
respondent?
In charge of this article of
Which respondent has misappropriated? What complaint have you filed? Have you lodged any complaint?
my lord, is
Where?
it is not an SR, my it is my approach earlier, my PIL, my it is allowed, my order is 45.
Page 45. What is the order in the PIL?
Even person is my lord, page 4.
What is the outcome of the complaint?
Thereafter, 44.
No. A departmental proceeding has been initiated. Departmental proceeding has been initiated. Now, what is your grievance? You come to the order which has been passed pursuant to the order of the High Court. You come.
Their grievance is petition, my lord. They want to get back their original sanction scheme. According to them, my lord, some misappropriation was done, and because of that, their schemes were hampered. Now they want those schemes, my lord, back. The earlier scheme.
Let us see your prayer, madam.
Page 7.
They accomplished the preferred texts. Also, proper steps for lodging an FIR. Why haven't you lodged an FIR? You can lodge an FIR. Is there any bar for you to lodge an FIR? Heard Miss L. Wazida, learned counsel for the petitioners who are aggrieved by the inaction on the part of the respondent authorities to take appropriate action against the respondent numbers 9 and 10. Full stop. It is alleged that there are complaints of misappropriation against by the said respondent numbers 9 and 10. Para. And para nahi. The learned counsel has also submitted that earlier a PIL was filed and pursuant to the order passed by the division bench, a disciplinary proceeding has been initiated, but no criminal case or measures for recovery of the misappropriated amounts have been taken. Para, let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. 3. Yes, Mr. Dotto?
Appealing for number 1.
Union of India. RKD Chaudhary 1, then Dotto for 2.
2, 4, 5, 6, and 8.
2, 4, 5, 6, and 8. And us?
Yes.
3 and 3. 3 extra copies. Okay. 9 and 10 registered post with AD. 7. 7, 9, 10 registered post with AD. Taps within 2 working days. Okay.
Okay.
Item 6.
Detail.
Yes.
The petitioner lordship, they retired
my lord, officer of Guwahati University, my lord. And my lord, father was getting a plot of land, a patta land, where two houses were standing there, 1950, 60 onwards. And my lord, father expired, and thereafter filed an application for mutation in 2000. And
No,
from
you,
2000,
for getting information of a Supreme Court case, do you file a writ petition?
my lord, that information they have given, my lord.
Then,
Otherwise, verbally, my lord.
no, you have to obtain. Why should they give? You obtain.
my lord,
RTI is there. The site is open. If there's a Supreme Court case,
My lord,
you
we-
get the information. Will a writ petition be maintainable or even filed? Writ petitions are for much something else, extraordinary matters.
my lord, right, my lord, for last 20 years, my lord, we have been pursuing the matter, 25 years, my lord. We have been pursuing the matter, and subsequently we have filed a petition RTI, under RTI, my lord. No reply was
If there's
there.
no information under the RTI, you file an appeal.
Appeal was filed, my lord.
Then what happened?
There no reply, nothing of this.
Thereafter,
Second, that
second
is why,
appeal.
my lord, that is why, my
second
lord, we have-
appeal, second appeal, then writ petition.
My lord, in fact, my lord, after approaching for 25 years, my lord, since nothing.
No, you are
forward.
not approaching in the correct
So, my lord-
manner, correct manner in the correct.
Right, my lord. My lord, the last and alternative prayer.
Ultimately,
There, my lord.
the prayer of mutation.
Well-
No, mutation, whether a writ petition will lie.
My lord,
Yes, Madam Hazarika, mutation, Assam Public Services Act. It's a notified service. You file an application. If it is not acted, come before us.
Second appeal file, my lord.
Huh?
That is, my lord, pending, no answer is coming.
Where have you made this statement? If there is no answer,
My lord, I have given a memo of appeal, my lord.
where? Page. You have given only the first appeal, not the second appeal. First
My
appeal we
lord,
have
first
seen.
appeal is page
Page
50, my lord.
54.
Page 50 is the first appeal.
54.
And then, yes.
Thereafter,
And second appeal, my lord, 54. This is
54 is
second
the
appeal.
first appeal. 54 is the first appellate status, not second appeal. And whether
Yes, my lord. First
Well,
appeal.
first
my lord,
appeal,
yes,
where
first
is
appeal.
whether the information
Then,
commissioner
my
is a
lord, we have
party.
filed next, my lord, page 55, then we have filed a representative.
55
Only
is not
thing
a
is-
representation.
only thing is, my lord,
55 is before a district commissioner, not before the second appellate authority. Who are the parties here? Where is the information commissioner party?
part is not.
You make them party. If you want to pursue it in the right manner. Cannot be in a piecemeal. Make the information commissioner party.
Then, my lord, then the lord will, my lord, dispose of the matter. my
We
lord.
know this, we file with liberty.
My lord, making us to file a second appeal, my lord, because the
No, whatever. Heard Sri M. A. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Sri M. K. Chaudhary for the petitioner. Also heard Sri N. Das, Learned State Counsel, as well as Ms. D. Hazarika, Learned Standing Counsel, Revenue Department, Para. The grievance of the petitioner pertains to a prayer for mutation over a plot of land, which, according to the petitioner, he had inherited. Full stop. It is also averred that on the aforesaid plot of land, there are constructions wherein the GMC has also issued a holding number. Full stop. The petitioner has, Sri Chaudhary, the Senior Counsel, has submitted that the prayer for mutation has not been considered on the pretext that some case is pending in the Honorable Supreme Court, the details of which have not been provided to him. Para. He has also drawn the attention of this court that recourse to the Right to Information Act was taken, in which, however, no information has been provided. Full stop. Para.
since 2024, my lord, no,
Sri Endas, the learned State Council as well as Ms. Hazarika, the learned Standing Council, have, however, submitted that there is a provision of filing a second appeal, which does not appear to have been done, Para. This court has perused the documents annexed to the writ petition and also the averments made therein, full stop. It appears that on 3/3/2025, a first appeal was filed by the petitioner and the same is pending, full stop. Though a representation dated 22/5/2025 has been annexed to the petition, the said representation is addressed to the District Commissioner, Kamrup Metro, who is not the second appellate authority, full stop. Para. Under the scheme of the Right to Information Act, the aggrieved party can prefer a second appeal, which does not appear to have been done, full stop. It also does not transpire from the materials on record as to the fate, FAT, of the first appeal preferred, full stop. Para. In view of the above, this court is of the opinion that the proper recourse of the petitioner is to exhaust the remedies under the Right to Information Act, and if still aggrieved, may approach the appropriate forum of law in accordance with law. Para. In view of the above, the writ petition is closed, giving liberty to the petitioner to pursue his remedies in accordance with law. Not dismissed, closed.
From 2022, my lord, they are not accepting our revenues.
Okay,
That will be
now
okay.
probably this time you'll get something. Yes, next.
Item 7.
Praise the Lord. Here is the case, my lord. The
Caveat.
petitioner got, my lord, 5 votes and they got 4. They have tampered with the minute also, my lord, and 1 vote was cancelled. That also counted in their favor,
First we'll discharge the caveat.
my lord.
First we discharge the caveat.
Yes.
Heard Sri S.K. Talukdar Learned Council for the caveator which has been lodged in connection with the election of the number 17 Umarpur Gau Panchayat in the district of Kamrup,
Tribhumi
in the district of Sribhumi. Why have you written Kamrup in the caveat? Typographical, mechanical.
Sure.
You should take care of those
Well.
in the district of Sribhumi. Para. The caveator would be heard in the event this court proposes to pass any interim order. Para. Caveat stands discharged. Yes.
My lord, on the fateful day, my lord, I was been invited for the selection and election
You
of
got 5 votes.
yes, 5. They got 4 votes. But
They
the
means?
one, they means the private respondent, my lord, which now hopefully become a president.
5
They
votes.
got the
Now,
4 votes.
private response number?
Private respondent number, my lord, 8.
8. This is for the post of president.
President.
Okay.
Now, lordship will see, my lord, 1 vote was cancelled. That your lordship will see because it has been submitted by the authority themselves, my lord.
1 vote was cancelled.
Yes. Because of as per law, it is cancelled.
Okay.
That your lordship will see, I have annexed that ballot paper, my lord, page 43. My
Thereafter?
lordship, kindly have a look, page 40.
43.
43.
Yes.
43A. Lordship has seen my 1 mark, my lord, election mark,
Yes.
which is the doubtful crossing in the line.
Yes.
That cannot be because their guidelines I have annexed.
Hmm.
And that vote was counted in favor of them, my lord. Accordingly, it was been given 5 votes for the private respondent, 5 votes me, my lord. Thereafter, we made an objection, my lord, and minute was prepared, my lord. In the minute, it has been clearly written.
Mr. Barbia, what you are trying to contend is that this vote at page 43A has been
Has
counted
to
in,
be
no,
favor of the
has been counted in their favor,
my
and you say that this could not have been counted.
Count.
So the total votes
Five,
by
five.
the respondent number 8 should have been 4.
4.
It has been made 5
Five.
because of counting of this vote.
4.
Then in that case, both are 5-5. Then what
5-5.
happened?
In
Then-
that case, my lord, if it is taken into account, my lord, 5-5, then they have done a toss. My lord.
Yes.
So we have wrote, my lord, objection, my lord. Lordship, for that, my lord, Lordship, can you have a look the minute, my
Page.
page? Lottery, man, that lottery has been done, my lord. It has been tampered with. Lordship will see page 41 is the barnacle.
Lottery. How can lottery be tempered?
My lord. That also, my lord, override.
You
They have manipulated.
41.
Resolution page 41, my lord.
Their luck was better on that date. They had better luck.
Not
On the
better luck,
lottery date.
tempered the luck.
Tempered luck.
Yes.
How can luck be tempered?
My lord, I'll show you the document, my lord, how it.
Then what about an election petition? Why don't you approach the election?
My lord, I'm not on to the election petition, my lord, because I am violation of section 11 and rule 46, my lord.
Those cannot be taken up in an election petition.
My lord, that can be
These are
taken up.
essentially factual matters.
My
Tampering
lord,
with
it's
luck.
documentary, my lord. All
Tampering with luck,
documentary,
not even factual. These are something else. Speculation.
my lord.
Some extraordinary powers have to be invoked.
My lord.
That luck has been
Because, my
tempered.
lord, because, my lord, Lordship will see for a moment, my lord, the
He approached the tribunal. If you are aggrieved, you come here.
Lordship, can it be on Monday, my lord? I'll take it instruction of.
Take the instructions. But and with this kind of allegation, better to approach the tribunal.
Yes,
It's
my
better
lord,
for
I'll
you.
just have a talk with him.
Today we are issuing notice. By the time 3 years goes, then we say that we approach the tribunal. What will remain?
That.
Heard Sri J.I. Borbhuya, learned
But over and above, my lord,
Concept
it is
for
not an
the
election.
petitioner who is aggrieved by the
Resolution dated
election of the respondent number 8 as the president of
It is
the
election.
huh?
Election.
Election.
In terms of section,
election. only.
election, election.
No, we have said election.
no,
only.
take election.
Not selection. It's
Yeah, but-
election.
Yes, election.
By the election of the respondent number 8 as the president of the number 17 Omarpur Gaon Panchayat in the district of Sribhumi. Full stop. It is contended that the election itself was held in an illegal manner and one vote was increased so far as the respondent number 7
Eight.
it is concerned.
8.
And even in the situation after increasing when the votes were equal in number, namely 5 each, there was tampering in the method where a toss was done. Full stop para. At this stage, this court is, however, of the view that the aspects which have been sought to be raised would essentially involve factual disputes. And there is an effective and efficacious forum in the form of an election tribunal. Full stop para. At this stage, Sri Borbhuya prays for some time to obtain
is-
instructions.
Matter bill is on Monday.
List on Monday for motion.
And next item, my lord, without quorum. We 5 left without quorum, my lord, Vice President.
Same order.
Same.
Very good. Same Gaon Panchayat.
Same Gaon Panchayat, my lord.
Okay.
Without quorum.
Is
without
there a
quorum.
caveat here also?
Yes.
Caveat same, huh?
One capital in why, my lord, interest for 2 posts, Vice President and President. That is ridiculous.
We file caveat in respect of our time. We have filed one caveat.
Oh, there is no caveat here.
My lord, one person cannot represent in 2 ways.
No, there is no caveat here.
If it is not caveat, my lord, lordship will.
Yeah.
Oh,
No, there's
But
no,
it-
no,
caveat
there's no
has
caveat.
Filed to them.
Wakaldama filed,
Yes.
but they have appeared already. Heard Sri J.I. Borbhuya, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has challenged the election of the respondent number
Respondent number
8
Yeah,
as vice president of the number so and so ek hi hoga, huh? It is submitted
without
that
quorum.
such election was held in a meeting without following the quorum. Uska baad next bola aayega, huh? Effectual dispute, time, Monday.
Same minute. Obliged.
Item 9.
Item 9. Mishra, GST cancellation,
Yes, sir.
covered.
But
It is-
Take care of it. No,
He'll approach, he'll consider
That's it,
covered, I think. Similar matters we have,
yes, my lord.
show it to your friend. You want to get back into the fray, let him, you will get some revenue.
But I understood from explanation, okay? Actually, that I am ignorant of the procedure. That cannot be the ground.
We have been slightly liberal. May not be,
Because this
what
is
do you
the-
do, Mr. Mishra?
I am a works contractor, my lord.
Contractor. Contractor is not aware of GST
So
procedure.
what happened, I made a statement in that point of time. I was
Contractor
not-
where? In Guwahati?
Yes, my lord. At that point, he was not having any work with him, my lord. So, therefore, he was not-
Okay, we'll cover code.
Right.
Make the corrections.
Smile.
Okay? Dispose of.
obliged.
Make the corrections properly.
My lord.
How many pages? This or this court's order?
This course is
Or then it.
obliged.
Item 10.
Mr. Kulita, what is this Swarnalata
Look,
Burman?
Taking some other notice.
Yes, my lord, we may not file a debate, my lord, but it was under my lord object of. But when we selected the Olokama, we take the concept of
Okay. What is it?
Well, no confidence motion by taking the chairman of the municipal board.
Okay.
Well, the notice under section 43+3, meeting was convened. Well, notice was issued on 22nd of February 2000.
You are the ousted chairman.
Yes.
When was the meeting held?
Meeting on 24/2/2025.
Where, what are you doing all this time?
Well, thereafter, no meeting for the election of the chairman was convened. And there recently, on 4/7, on 8/7, the deputy commissioner has convened a special meeting for discussion and consideration of the no confidence motion. And I have filed an application. Meeting was scheduled to be held on
Okay,
15th.
we'll issue a short notice. Herds we NK Kulita,
Short
Learned
notice
Counsel.
and without any ground.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by a no confidence motion passed on 24/2/2025 against him as the president, as the chairman of the Sarthebari Municipal Board in the district of Borpeta. Full stop. It is submitted that there are gross violation of the statutory provisions in conducting such a meeting. Para, let notice be issued, returnable on, we give a date here. What is the tenure? 5 years?
Yes.
5 years. When did you take charge?
Well, I take charge.
Which year? This year?
2020, sorry.
Returnable on
20.
22. Till 27 you were there. Returnable on 2. Returnable on 11th of August. 11th of August. Yes, who will be taking, yes, UDD? UDD, I think there is a standing council. You'll take. UDD doesn't have a standing council, as Bora, I think, who was there. Is? Oh, not UDD. Okay. 3N Das, Learned State Council accepts 1, 2, 3, 4. Extra copies, 529 registered post with AD, steps within 2 working days.
Till then,
But
well,
you cannot be retained as chairman.
status quo because meeting is likely to be scheduled to be held on 21st.
Have any action taken in the meeting scheduled to be held on 21st of July 2025 shall be subject to further orders that may be passed in this proceeding.
11.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Mr. Hussain?
May I the petitioners are the partial land holder.
Hmm.
But in the locality of the petitioner, PCL has started a project of acquiring the land. In the meantime, petitioner submitted representations before the Chief Commissioner, page 28. That land may not be, they
It
may
is your
not be
patta land.
partial land. They may acquire by following due process.
Why, yeah, how can you evict them from patta land without?
This basically, but apprehend. I have taken telephonic instruction.
But their electric connection have been
Yes.
disconnected.
Disconnected.
Electricity might not be there.
No, Lord.
Yes, Mr. Why should they come if it is still there? It's not, nobody comes to the court for fun.
Lord, electricity. And
No, why disconnection? If you can disconnect, if there are dues or anything,
Yes.
or some theft
Yeah.
or misuse. We have this on Wednesday. You take instructions on the disconnection part.
Lord,
Okay.
and we have
Ah.
filed representations.
Heard
also
Sri
that-
M.K. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioners who are aggrieved by the move of the respondent authorities to evict them from their patta land without following the due process of law. Para. Sri R. Borpujari, learned standing counsel revenue, has however raised an objection that it is only on mere apprehension that this writ petition has been structured, as there is no move to evict the petitioners. Full stop. Para.
Cannot pick up.
Oh.
Not follow it.
On the aspect of the allegation that electricity has been disconnected, this court directs Sri K.P. Pathak, the learned standing counsel, APDCL, to obtain instructions on the aspect.
I
He, however, the Sri Pathak, the learned counsel, has however informed that the details of the electricity connection, which has been alleged to be disconnected, have not been provided in the writ petition. Para. In the interest of justice, the learned counsel for the petitioner is directed to obtain instructions and furnish all the details of the electricity connection to Sri Pathak, the learned standing counsel, to enable him to obtain instructions in this regard. Para. List for motion on Friday next. He can give you by Monday. Okay. Take instructions today itself.
Lord,
It's for your own benefit.
What?
Oh. No, we are not, then right, Sri Dinath, then is senior standing, is present. We are not taking any action today. Okay. Next. It will be similar.
Lord, this is regarding action of president and vice. Meeting was held without quorum, only attended by 6 members.
What about election petition?
This election is not mandatory. In this, only for Panchayat Lordship, section 11 is there.
This is not for Panchayat.
Panchayat Lordship election petition is not there. Section 11, 127 provides all petitions except Lordship election of president and vice.
This is for the presidents.
President and vice president of government.
Okay, not for ward member,
Absolutely.
not for ward member.
Not for what?
Okay.
Indirect subsequent
Heard.
election.
My lord, 127 state, my lord, except section 10.
10 means election of
10
president.
means after death or removal, the next election. It's a election of president from the ward.
President, election of president and vice. 10.
Exception is only section 10.
10 is for the president.
President.
10 is president or vice president if vacancy arises.
You see?
There is
Yes.
election of president and vice president of Gaon Panchayat. After the election of the president and the vice president of the Gaon Panchayat from among the members, if any vacancy occurs by the reason of death, resignation or removal in
Yes.
the office of the president or vice president, as the case may be, the compensated member shall elect another member or amongst the members
Hmm,
as the president or the vice president, as the case may be.
yes.
So this will applicable only after the vacation of the president or vice president. only.
But what about, Mr. Hussain, what about 11?
11 is any dispute relating to the validity of the election of president and election law.
Election of the
Section 6 is
president,
saying election.
Election.
election, so,
11 we have filed petition for the district committee
okay,
under 11. That is pending nothing.
okay.
Lost
11 has taken recourse.
request.
11 is there, Mr. Dr.
Yes, fine.
Third three,
Yes,
Ankit
38
Hussain,
is the 11.
learned counsel for the petitioners who are aggrieved by the election of the respondent numbers
8 and 9.
8 and 9 as the president and vice president of the
14 number Giladhari.
number 14 number Giladhari Mukh Gao Panchayat in the district of Vishwanath. Full stop. It has been alleged that the quorum was not followed in the said election. Full stop. The learned counsel has also submitted that an application in accordance with section 11 of the Assam Panchayat Act 1994 has been filed, which however has not been acted upon. Para, let notice be issued returnable by 6 weeks. Yes, we'll take Dr. 1.
I'm for my lord.
No, first Dr. 1,
1, 4, 5, and 7.
1, 4, 5, and 7. AB Casta for on Ardube 2. Then Das for 3. Only 3.
So, my
Six
lord,
is there.
6.
Executive matter.
6. Then rest
5 4.
3 and 6. Rest registered post with AD. 8 to 13 registered post within 2 working days. Para pendency of the split petition shall not be a bar for consideration and disposal of the representation said to be filed before the district commissioner. Is district commissioner a party?
Party, respond number 3.
Okay. Within bracket respond number 3. Okay. Returnable করেছে না? 6 weeks. You take steps.
Item 13.
Yes.
Make the lord. Lordship matter as a newly elected member matter of 22 number Uttar Pradesh.
Yes.
What happened, matter? There is an earlier meeting, matter, that was cancelled, matter. Subsequently, matter, case 17, matter, you lost it. The water issued by the Zilla Parishad, matter. Where, matter, the next general, matter, has meeting was dated conduct held on 11/7/2025, and this order itself was on 10.
How many days are supposed to be given?
Sir,
Is there any requirement?
But section 73, man. It is a 7 days, man.
So that is not applicable for election. For that is
How is it
special-
connected?
Second, eh,
This first meeting,
when and third, they have,
what is your grievance? You are elected.
yes,
You
man.
did not take part in the
least-
first meeting.
Matter, I think how they have cancelled, matter, don't know. Because that was not duly notified. And petitioners also did not.
Now,
get a-
what is the prejudice you are suffering now?
Now, matter, at least, matter, I should have given some more time.
What is the prejudice you are suffering? What decisions have been taken in the first meeting? Which has caused prejudice to you, legal
Because-
prejudice?
Because one of the petitioner, matter, he was not at his home. He was in the Sukipur.
That is not the question by this court. We are asking, what is the prejudice you have suffered? What decisions have been taken which is against your interest?
I thought there was, matter, 10 members, the elected member. Ultimately, in the first meeting, matter, they matter, president and vice president is elected. Now, matter, do not.
The vice president, president have been elected by a margin of how many votes?
don't know. I have no,
How many of you are there?
there were 4 months.
All four you are not even aware.
But they were just intimated on the night of 10th March. And the meeting was, it would be held on the next day.
You don't reside in that place, probably. You stay
But-
somewhere, you
but-
stay in Guwahati
But-
and you are become member of Borpeta.
No, my.
That is what is happening.
Within the locality of the 22 number.
You are doing business at Guwahati, not concerned.
Now,
And
but
it's-
the,
Their applications from 22 onward. Their applications, they were very much aware. They are filing application
Yeah,
on the morning that we are not going to appear.
they
Then-
had, my lord, that one, just time, regarding one,
Heard.
And page 25, the husband filed
Three.
the application.
As hoc learned counsel for the petitioners who were aggrieved by the action of the respondent authorities in holding the first meeting
Right.
of the number 22 Uttar Bedbari Gao Panchayat under the Borpeta Jila Parikhod. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioners who are 4 in numbers that they are elected ward members, and the meeting which was scheduled on 10/7/2025.
11.
No, it was scheduled. Oh, no, it was held on 11/7/2025. Was held by a day's notice only, without proper information. Full stop. Para. Shreyas Datta, the learned standing counsel, PNRD, has however submitted that the materials on record would establish that the petitioners were all along aware of the meeting and had rather submitted applications for postponement. Para, be that as it may, let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. 3.1, 2.
1, 2, 5, 6, and 7.
Video also,
Yes.
5, 6, and 7. Then 3, AB cast on behalf of RDB, 3. Then District Commissioner and us, extra copies. Okay. Is there any
My lord, they have, my lord, if they have adopted the method, that will have the outcome.
no.
But what have, the, there are different people.
Other members also not made part.
Where are the elected members? Not made parties. Where is the president? Where is the vice president? That is the most prejudice which we are trying to
Yes.
get a response from you.
But we have no.
You are aggrieved by that, by the fact that
Because
somebody has
it-
been elected. Where are they?
Participate.
Where are they? You have to make them parties that you have been elected without the due process of law. We did not even participate. Maybe you are interested in a post of president or vice president. You did not get a chance. You should have made them a party, made
Right.
them parties.
Right.
Yes, next.
President.
Duriya, Bhumi.
Right.
Yes.
If in the petitioners then were acquired, they are 1995. They have not been paid, then petition for in the circuit. The third people,
Acquisition when?
For going carried out case.
Acquisition when?
1995.
What are you doing all this time?
Five authority.
95, we are in which year? 2025.
Have a look at page 36, sir.
36.
36.
Yes.
Clerkship against the RTI reply filed by the petitioner number 2.
Yes.
This information was provided. Clerkship.
What is the information?
That with reference to the letter subject stated above.
Where is Annexure 2?
Clerkship,
Where is Annexure 2 this letter? Enclosed as Annexure 2? Where? Where are the annexures?
Annexure 2, Clerkship, that Annexure 3 of this petition at page 24.
22.
24.
20,
24, page 24, Lordship.
24.
Lordship.
Yes.
This is the gazette notification published
The 95.
23rd of July 1999, Lordship. By
Then
the
how do you entertain this after 30 years?
Lordship, since it is pending, the status of LA case number 1 of 1995 pending at the office.
Can a LA case be
Secretariat.
pending for 30 years?
Lordship.
Under what provision? Under what provision? LA case is pending since 30 years. There is a statutory provision that LA case will be lapsed.
Lordship, since the petitioner informed the petitioner that it LA case pending at the office of the chief engineer, water.
Where is it pending?
Lordship, page 36, before the
Where is it written that it's pending? They have given the status.
status of LA case number 1 of 1995-96 pending at the office of the chief
Status
engineer.
is pending, not LA case. Sorry. We cannot entertain writ petitions after 30 years.
LA case, Lordship.
Sorry.
Lordship.
Third, Sri I. Hussain, I have learned counsel for the petitioner who has made a claim for payment of compensation regarding an LA case. Full stop. Sri
That I may
Andas as well as Andas Learned State as well as Miss R.M. Decker, Learned Standing Council. Water Resource have, however, informed that the LA case is of the year 95-96 and there is no explanation with regard to the delay and also regarding the details of the petitioner's para. Sri Hassan, the Learned Council, has, however, replied that in a response to RTI application, the status was thought to be, the status of the LA case was sought, and there is certain information on 1st of February 2025 para. This court has, however, on a proper scrutiny of the documents, this court has, however, noticed that the communication dated 1/2/2025 is issued by the Additional District Commissioner, whereby 2 enclosures have been given, full stop. It also transpires that the land acquisition case is of 1995-96, which was in fact numbered as LA case number 1 of 1995-96 para. Entertaining a writ petition for payment of compensation for land acquisition after 30 years will not be in accordance with law, full stop. Though the Limitation Act 1963 per se may not have an application in a writ petition, the aspect of laches will definitely come in, as the jurisdiction exercised under Article 226 is undoubtedly a jurisdiction of equity. Para. At this stage, Sri Hassan, the Learned Council, prays for withdrawal of the writ petition. Para. Considering the above, the writ petition is dismissed on withdrawal.
close.
Or closed on withdrawal.
23 subsidies.
Yes.
Payback. My lord, the petitioner aggrieved by Annexure 7, issuance of non-billable warrant by the special judge Kasakar. And my lord, on the same cause earlier, we had approached this honorable court. And this honorable court passed an order, my lord, saying that I am innocent. But yet, again, my lord, the same special judge has issued non-billable warrant against. Your lordship may kindly see, my lord, earlier order of this honorable court, my lord. Page 37,
37.
my lord.
But why are you in writ jurisdiction? Why haven't you come for quashing?
My lord, I am not involved in the case.
Understood, but why haven't you filed for quashing?
Your lordship may
What is
kindly-
your name, Mr. Talukdar?
my lord,
Imadur.
Imdadur Rahman.
Hmm.
Your lordship may kindly, my lord, the entire case has been summarized, my lord, here. at page 40, my lord.
Now, where is the High Court's order?
My lord, page 30, page 37. Page 37 onward. On the earlier
On the basis of the instructions, yes, Mr. Sharma.
on the earlier.
You take instructions, Mr. Sharma. Heard?
If otherwise, Lordship, in the High Court's order,
Yes.
the case is Akigora Police Station, case number 30 of the 2020 mentioned.
Yes.
But there in the case, Akigora,
Align.
Is it a different case?
No, my lord, same case, my
that
lord.
is why, Lord,
No, my lord, no, my lord.
were found deflected.
Yes, I'm saying, my lord. The Katigoda police station, my lord, has been bifurcated by this time, my lord. And now a new police station has, my lord, emerged, has come out, my lord, namely Align police station. That's why, my lord, now this, your lordship, I can see, my lord.
Case number is also not reflected in this order. It is
My lord,
only DPS case number
did not
24 of the
execute-
2020.
Someone is to execute it in second. My lord, last word, my lord. So, can we execute for the address also, my lord?
Heard three.
Yes, can be the-
We do have this on Monday for motion. You take instructions.
No,
And
Lordship,
till then,
it is the same case, page 40.
Same case, my lord.
Page 40.
Okay. No, 40 we have seen that NDPS for 24 of
24 of
2022
the
is there.
2020.
In the
It is
fifth line of paragraph 6.
Yes.
We have mentioned, we have noted that. I heard 3A Taluk, the learned counsel for the petitioner,
Next,
who
next,
has approached this court by the against an order dated against orders dated 24/3/2025 and 2/6/2025 issued by the special court, comma,
sir.
special court Assam,
Sir.
special court, special court Kachar, Silchar, whereby NBWA and P/A have been issued, full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that he had earlier approached this court in WPC 830 of 2025, challenging similar actions in connection with NDPS case number 24 of 2022, and the said writ petition was disposed of by this court vide an order dated 24/2/2025, wherein it has been observed that it appeared to be a case of incorrect, case of mistaken identity. Put the para. Let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. 3 H. Sharma, learned additional senior advocate Assam, accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. All the respondents, that extra copies be served upon him. Para. The learned counsel for the petitioner prays for an interim order. Para. After perusal of the materials on record, including the observations made by this court in the earlier order dated 24/2/2025, passed in WPC 830 of 2025, the impugned orders dated 24/3/2025 and 2/6/2025, passed by the learned so-and-so in so-and-so, NDPS case number so-and-so, shall remain suspended.
Publish.
Father to transmitted allocated my confidential land in the year 1983.
Yes, instructions?
Lordship, we have filed our affidavit, Lordship, they are occupying forest land because of that or the judgment passed so moto one of the special or that
My lord, the year 1983.
Who is for the forest? Forest party or not?
Yes, but thereafter, my lord, they have also submitted my lord on the application for getting my lord settlement method. That's also can't get right. That
Subodhotto.
not
District
giving any
forest.
notice.
No, there are district DFO is there.
Yes.
Where is forest names shown in the cause list? Yes, forest name shown. Where is forest department? Mr. Pathak was here. Forest. Where is Mr. Pathak? Then okay, Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay. Though Sri A. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner, as well as heard Sri A. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Sri N. Das, learned state counsel, as well as Miss P.R. Mohanto, standing counsel, revenue department. Full stop. However, there is no, the learned standing counsel forest department is not present when the matter is called upon. Para. In the interest of justice, matter is adjourned to be listed on Wednesday. Please inform him. We'll try to dispose of matters. This pleadings have been exchanged. 16 years, Madam Goel, what is this?
Better.
here I had
What is the matter, madam?
Not payment of any compensation. Outlines. In respect
Compensation
of-
for,
of-
compensation for?
Sir, project, Indian has acquired our land.
Okay, land compensation. Who are the parties, madam? CCC is a party here. Yes. Yes, you have filed affidavit. Not filed.
they have filed a repeat subject to that, but I take
Yes, Mr. Gupta, affidavit filed. They say that you have not paid them compensation for land acquired.
Fact that the process not land for certain purpose. And then
Given by whom?
by the your purpose.
No,
That's the PPC.
No. Is the land belonging to the petitioner?
That's also if they have filed that
Madam?
also-
How have you established that the land belongs to you? What is the prima facie material to show that the land belongs to you?
Have submitted. The Jama book.
No, Jamabandi is not. What regarding the title? Any patta, any land document?
Sir.
Given patta?
Yes.
Mr. Gupta, they have got patta over the land.
there is a report of
Okay, you get the further instructions. Do affidavits, do heard Ms. S. Goel, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri H. Gupta, learned CGC, comma, Sri H. Sharma, learned addition senior advocate Assam, and Sri B. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel BTC. Para. Do pleadings have been exchanged, comma. On the prayer of Sri Chaudhary, the learned standing counsel BTC, matter is adjourned by 3 weeks to enable him to obtain further instructions. Okay.
Item 17.
W. Raman.
Eight. Or 76.
Where is W. Raman?
Uh,
So is this.
okay.
Operators. None appears for the petitioner on call. Para. Heard Miss G. Hazarika, Learned Standing Council Revenue, as well as Sri H. Sharma, Learned Additional Senior Advocate Assam. Para. The matter pertains to a claim for payment of ex gratia regarding the accidental death of the husband of the petitioner. Husband of what? Father? Husband of the petitioner by drowning. Full stop. Miss. But this was in 2002 itself. What? Oh no, Miss Hazarika, the Learned Standing Council has however informed that as per instructions received, the amount in question has already been paid. Full stop. She has, in fact, placed before this court copy of an order dated 19/6/2025 issued by the department to the district commissioner, Udalguri district, regarding the aforesaid payment. Para. On perusal of the said communication dated 19/6/2025, this court is of the opinion that there is no existing cause of action which would require any further adjudication. Para. Writ petition accordingly stands closed. Para. The communication dated 19/6, copy of the communication dated 19/6/2025 is made part of the records. Yes, Mr. Deka, what is this?
Lordship, we have been directed this report regarding that demarcation. But Lordship, that demarcation could not be done because of the rain. They're paid for.
We grant some time?
Yes. It is
Oh,
last part of September.
okay.
Because they're under.
Wide order dated 23/5/2025, the respondent authorities were directed to furnish a report after the demarcation. Full stop. Para. Sri H. Sharma, Learned Additional Senior Advocate Assam, has however submitted that the demarcation process could not be undertaken due to the rainy season, and he accordingly prays for some more time to undertake and complete the process. Para. In view of the above, the matter is adjourned by a month. Adjourned to be listed in the first week of September, by which date a report on the demarcation process be furnished to the court. Okay, next. I for
This I was filed for correction of the order dated 8/25. It is passed on the national focus.
what is the
There is a error in the amount. One case is death case and another one is the injury case, but the amount was the amount which needs to be put in the death case Lordship, but erroneously Lordship, it was mentioned in the injury case.
which order you need?
Lordship, page 27, order dated 8/3/2025. Lordship.
Okay. Then what should be the amount here?
In this,
Who is for the insurance company? Oh, you're for the insurance
for the
company.
insurance
Who is for the petition? The appellant, opposite party. Name is not there. Who
not
appeared?
there, Lordship.
Who had appeared?
Lordship, actually, Lordship, there is a delay, Lordship. The
Oh, okay.
There is a
First,
delay.
first day it was
but
okay.
the
So yes, what has happened?
Lordship, in IA 945 public 2025, Lordship,
Yes,
that is page 26, Lordship,
yes.
the amount should be 65 lakh, but it was written as a 2,55,000.
And the other one?
And
it should-
another one, the amount should be 2,85,000.
Okay.
That is it.
Okay. What is your name?
Ek akut.
Hardsri A. Kakoti, learned counsel for the applicant who by means of this application has prayed for a correction in the order dated 8/3/2025, which had culminated from a proceeding in the Lok Adalat. Full stop. It is submitted that there were two appeals, one concerning death and the other an injury. And while mentioning the amount, there was a mismatch. Full stop. It is submitted that in this appeal, the lump sum amount should have been rupees 65
65 lakh.
65 lakh
65 lakh only.
65 lakhs
That's it.
65 lakhs on account of death, and by mistake rupees 2,85,000 has been stated in the order, which was pertaining to the other case, pertaining to the other case relating to injury. Full stop. After consideration of the submission and on perusal of the records, the order dated 8/3/2025 is corrected and the amount and the lump sum amount is to be rupees 65 lakhs instead of rupees 2,85,000. Let this order be read as a part of the order dated 8/3/2025. I stands disposed of. And in the other one,
And another one is that
1061, huh?
Hmm.
1061 not ekdom eke likhiba. The amount has been written as 65 lakhs, which should be 2,85,000. It is 2,88,000. Aru a case to hold injury case. Okay? Disposed of.
Yes.
But you had one appeal or what? How many appeals are there?
Lordship, there is an IA for delay and there one is stay. But the main appeal was not because
No. Was there one appeal or two appeals?
two appeals.
Two appeals?
One is filed by the claimant for injury of his minor, and another one is the death of
No.
wife.
The appeal which you have preferred in this court, you have to prefer two appeals. Did you prefer two appeals?
Two.
Where is the other appeal? Aru eta appeal ase nei kagos? Thik. Okay. Hold on. Okay.